Systems are everywhere in your business whether you know it or not. The key to having a business that simply works is by creating your systems with intention rather than letting them create themselves. We're going to look at systems now. A lot of business owners inadvertently let systems create themselves without even realizing it. For example, if you're a web designer, if your web designer is the only one in your business who knows how to make changes and edits on your website, if your web designer leaves, you lose an integral business system. But what if your web designer wrote down her daily routine and all the information that she knows to keep your business running? Now you've suddenly created a documented system. Now, the key to creating systems is to think about what you would need to do to ensure that the business keeps running if somebody had to leave. We're going to show you steps to create a system. This way you'll be building your business by design and not by default. For the purposes of this lesson, we'll help you to create a clearly defined system for your business to help you manage new leads. The first step that you want to do is name your system. All systems should do something. So to name a system, we start with the word to. For example, to follow up with new leads. The next step is to design your system. Use a simple box and arrow to diagram a brief description of each step. For example, it could be reply to website form entry, if no reply follow up in 2 days, if no reply again follow up in 2 days, and again if no reply follow up the account. Then you want to assign the system. Assign the system to appropriate position in your business. For example, the marketing manager will be responsible for monitoring and following up with new leads. After that, you want to assign a time frame. Knowing when each step needs to be completed is pertinent to getting the result of each system. For example, new leads will be replied to within 24 hours and receive 2 follow-ups every 2 days should they not respond. After 2 follow-ups, close the client account. Then you want to monitor performance. There's no way to know whether a system is working without measuring the performance of that system. For example, marketing managers will monitor response rates to follow up emails and adjust accordingly. And then you want to document the system. No system is complete until it has been documented. Use flowcharts, simple text diagrams, and screenshots to document your system.